complimentary body lotion, mouthwash, vanity kit, a shower cap, a bath soap. You got double sinks right here. Alright guys, so this is the ranchos for you after entering. You got a nice little picture right here. You got a sit-in, a little chair. You go over to this area right here. You got your coffee maker. You got all these coffee and sugar and creamers and stuff. You got an ice bucket right there. The necessities. You got the TV. Let's head to, this is of course the mirror. This is the bathroom, sliding door style for maximum privacy. This is what it looks like when it's closed. So I'm opening it up for you. Going there. This is the shower. You got conditioner, shampoo, and body wash. A nice little tub. Nice shower head. Let me give you some light up in here. Of course, the potty to do your business. Over here we've got complimentary body lotion, mouthwash, vanity kit, a shower cap, a bath soap. You got double sinks right here. Towels again. Cupboard space to put your little stuff. Nice sink. I like it. Of course, I'm about to get ready later. I got a nice mirror to do my makeup. When I'm doing my makeup, I got this nice mirror right here. Got a big old mirror right here. My baby's making a lot of noise in the back. Let me show you how it looks when you close it. This is what it looks like. Oh, we've got a closet. I got stuff in there already. And then we've got the beds. Two nice queen size beds. You got a night light.
Put it up.
To turn the light on. You got, you know, it's the ranchos, so this is a Spanish inspired. For reading, you could use this to read. You could turn it down. Then you have the lights over the head. I don't even know how to turn this on, guys, but I'm gonna figure it out. You got the lights right there. Nice fluffy pillows. Got more cupboard space. You got a drawer with a Bible for the Christians who want to read their Bible when they're on vacation. You got a Bible right here. You got a phone. Coronado Springs Resort. You've got where you could call. You've got a safe right here to put your valuables. Your lock combination, and then another bed over here. It's the door. My baby's just making a bunch of noise. And this is let me open this up for you. Show you what it looks like. Like I said, this is El Ranchos. And that's what it's looking like, guys. That's my view for our stay here. So leave it in the comments if you like what you see, how you could book a stay here. And that's about it. This is the ranchos at Coronado Spring Resort. See you in the next one.